Now we can also access characters by slicing them. So for example, let's just delete this. We may decide to slice our string. For example, let's take this example here. Now let's say C equals to my string, and let us give it an index of, so here we may decide to, if we go maybe from 1 and say put a colon here and say to 5, let's try to print this. So we should print C here, save this. If we print it here, we are going to have ELLO. That means it started from 1 here, 1 2 3 4, but excluding 5, which is the space here. That's why we have this one here. So you may also decide to, if we can also decide to, maybe if you don't specify the starting index, that means it's going to start from 0, and if you don't specify the ending index, so it's just going to go from beginning to the end. Okay, so we can also try to use the step index. So we may decide to use double colons here. If you use double colons, and the stepping index, we're just telling our program that we should go maybe by using one step. So if we go by using one step, we are going to have the whole string here. Yes, we are going to have the whole word. But if we may decide to go maybe skip by two steps, and if we save this here and print it here, we get this, I don't know what it is here. Okay, so that's how we can slice our strings. So we can also try to use the negative index. For example, if we put -1 here and save here, if we print C, we are going to have a reversed string. So this is a nice trick if you want to reverse your string. Okay, that's good. Okay,